2, 3, funky.
Why are printers so loud? Pack an order with me. Check me out on Curtsy Lol. This is where it's at. It smells just like you would imagine Christmas too. Roar. So pretty.
A whole hour later and I'm ready and I can now talk because it's no longer when I just woke up. You know? We should cancel mornings, I'm just saying. But now I'm gonna do my hair and then we're gonna be on the road. So let's go. Drip. Shoes. Drip check. Not feeling the hair as much, but am I bugging? I don't know. I don't like it. But there you go. Look at me. Okay.
Watch me admire myself for 30 seconds straight.
What's now? Yes, it is. How? It's not your phone. No, like if you were famous and he was like, it'll be more normal. That's true. This cute old lady, she was so adorable. She told my sister that her Crocs were cute. We're trying to find pants and my mom is screaming my name, so let's go.
Ooh, yeah, get it, I guess.
It's so hot.
It doesn't have any. Oh, baby.
Why did she kiss the pig?
My hair, it don't move.
I have more things in the car. You need the microphone.
If you know, you know.
I ended up getting this so my mom could sew me a new apron. Got this apron, which I will be wearing. Got this and another 2-pack of it. That's some chicken wingers. Our sausage is already put in the fridge. Chicken breast with slice, bacon, and then butter. That's my favorite. Thick. That's the chocolate, I think. And then we got minute sausage. These work really good for pigs in a blanket. And we got a hand mixer, and then chicken, and this is actually the chocolate. It looks cute. Oh, that's the sausage. And yeah, let's go see my Romwe package. Me and my sisters. This is the sausage patty. Also, we got these cute cookie cutters. They're like I don't remember, probably like $1 or like 79 cents. Got a new baking pan and another one. Yep. Let's go. Here's the rest of the things. I got this little cube thing that has like little flowers in them, I guess. You guys know what my new obsession is? I love these pugs. I'm absolutely obsessed. I bought one literally yesterday from Hobby Lobby. I'm obsessed. It looks great. Both of these are from Hobby Lobby for like $3 each. It looks amazing. But besides that though, I got that, and then I got this pom-pom thing. It has a little bee on it. This is lovely. We don't know where I got it though. We have this little mirror thing. It says drive safe, I need you here with me. I don't drive. I have this little kitty thing. She's beautiful. And then the phone cases. This one's just clear. I don't really like the picture. It looks really weird. And then this one is just chef's kiss. And then this eye massage or whatever. Needs a battery. I'm gonna put it in and show y'all, I guess. And then new purse because my old one was, I wanted a new one. So it looks spacious, it looks nice. And it's very soft. And that's it for the haul. I put it in and shut up. That's how strong it is, okay? I don't know how I'm supposed to put that on my eyes without it. I don't know. But yep. I'm currently wearing the bikini right now and it looks really good. Like, y'all go buy it. Go buy it right now because it looks good. Like, go get it. This one looks really good as well. And I love the cleavage or whatnot. It's not as tight. Like, there's still like space and stuff. But like, it's fine. It shouldn't be too tight, I guess, whatever. But it looks really good and I like how it looks. So it's see-through, by the way. But besides that, it looks great. There's nothing wrong with it and I'm obsessed. And you should totally get it. Okay, so we're making these Olive Garden breadsticks that I found on TikTok. We're making Oreo Balls. And we're making this pasta thing that I also found on TikTok. So let's check it out. Fried. Okay, I gotta go. I said I gotta go, like we're not going to the same place. You know what? Let's go. Gross it up.
Yeast, sugar, hot water that's supposed to be warm low. Mix. Add wet ingredient into dry one. I didn't wait for the yeast water to get fluffy, so the bread was hard to sigh. I promise I washed my hands before touching the pasta. I'm a pro chef. TikTok teaches me more than school. Yum! Blend because I'm too broke to buy a food processor. Add cream cheese and stir till all melted. Add as much cheese as you would like.
Do you children like the food?
No, it sucked.
But, so why is it almost gone?
Cheesy. I got the chicken.
Why is it almost gone then? It looks like it's almost gone.
That's why she gave us. Why is it pink? That's all she gave us. Why is it pink? That's all she gave us. That's why it's so little. It doesn't show on the screen.
The long ones tasted much better than the short ones.
What did you use for the sauce? Did that be butter, garlic, It's ready
Guys, show us your paw. Show us your Oreo ball. Oreo ball. Where is he? Is it good?
It's decent. It
Yeah,
looks like
I'm
doodle.
tired of you. I'm tired. Is it good or not? It's
It
good.
looks like doodle.
You look like doodoo. Look at you.
I love y'all. See you in the next one. Mwah.
Can we get into it though? Can we really get into it though? Because wow.